Good morning, students. Come to verbs in this class. In the last class we have seen preposition and articles. Okay, subject and verb agreement. Now comes to verb. It's a very important topic and very interesting. What is verb? It is an action. Verb is a word which gives an action in the meaningful sentence. Without verb, we can't formate sentences. To the correct formation of sentences, the need of verb is very important and needful. Okay? It's very easy if you learn well. It's like formulas in maths. Maths alli formulaಗಳಿಗೂ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿನೇ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಸಹ very important ಎಂದು verbs. There are three types: present, past and past participle. I have already told you. Okay, be form, do form, as form. Model auxiliaries. Okay, primary auxiliaries and model auxiliaries. There are four kinds. One is be form. Be form of verbs. Be form of verbs. What are be form of verbs? Is, are, am. They are to present tense, to present time. We use these is, are, am at present time. For example, I am teaching you. See, it is present, continuous. Sit silent, present tense. You sit silent, sit. Main verb. You don't make noise, do. Present tense, present time. Okay? I am giving you some examples. Is. You are good students, are. Am I correct? Question. Present time. Am I correct? ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು ಸರಿನಾ? ನೋಡಿ, am ಇವೆ be form. Was you attended the function? See, single, past. Were you attended the function? Plural, past. ಹೀಗೆ be to is, or, am. Okay, it is for present time. Was, were. It is to past time. Do you understand be form? To be anta karitare. It is called as to be form of verbs. Okay. Those who are CBSE, you understood well. Those who are state, you also understood well. But some of you are confusing, but you don't confuse. Confuse ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? Be ಅನ್ನೋದು is, or, am is equals to present. It is used to present tense. Was and were used to past. It is used to past tense, past time. Do you understand? Okay. Same as has. Be. Next one is has. Has is used to present perfect. Have is used to present perfect. Had is used to past perfect. Okay. Has, there are two types. Has and have. Okay. Next one, had. Do you understand? Has for third person singular. Okay. She has attended an interview. Yes. He has unable to attend the competitive examination. See, he has completed his BA. She has completed her degree. Nodi, has present perfect. Agtane mugdogirutte. He has completed LLB. Okay. She has completed her criminal law. See, she has completed CA. She has completed engineering. He has completed medical. ನೋಡಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟಿವ್. He, she, ಮತ್ತೆ it. Okay, has is used to he, she, it, or third person singular. They are third person singular. He, third person singular. She, third person singular. It, third person singular. We use the present perfect as to these persons, these pronouns, these third person singular pronouns. Okay, singular. Okay, not plural. And have is used except third person singular. Very easy English maths formula iddange. Have is used except singular third person pronoun. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಈಗ we have understood your teaching. Okay, the students have attended a program. The parents have come to the college to fill fees. The teachers have decided to teach interestingly. Have. Had, it is past. Okay, it is present past perfect. It is past perfect. Which one? Had. She had, okay, interviewed 3 persons continuously. See, some important questions had asked in final interview. See, had. Do you understand? So this is what has form. And the next one is do. Okay, which is the next one? Do form. What is the last one? Do form of verb. Do. It is also confusing. Do is used to first person. Okay, first person plural. Third person singular does. Say do into does, do and did. See, does and do are present simple, so it is used to single persons. Okay, does is used to third person singular, and do is used to all except third person singular. I do it, they do it, we do it, she does it, he does not attend, it does not happen. He, she, it requires, does. Do you understand? ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸೇಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂತು ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಡಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಡಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಟು ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್. He, she, it requires, does. Do you understand? Okay, she does not attend competitive exam. Okay, it looks beautiful means it does not happen. See, she does not dance well, she does dance well. See, like this. Okay, does is used to third person singular and do is used to except third person singular. Okay, I do it, we do it. Okay, they do it, they don't know. See, negative also used. They don't know what to do. Okay, we don't require any persons in our future life. Like that, do is used. And did, it is to past tense. It is what? To past tense. Okay, he did it. He did not attend the exam. Okay, did is used to all persons. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಪಾರ್ಶಿಯಾಲಿಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಟು ಆಲ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಸ್. ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್? ಡಿಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಡು ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಡು, ಡಸ್, ಡಿಡ್. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ತ್ರೀ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಬಿ ಫಾರಮ್, ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಫಾರಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡು ಫಾರಮ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಬಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಏನು? ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್, ಪಾಸ್ಟ್. ಬಿ ಈಸ್, ಆರ್, ಆಮ್. ಯು ಆರ್ ಮೈ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಆರ್. ಸಿ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಯುವರ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ interesting lecturers in this college. Yeah. She is the good student. See, is. They are be form, present time. Was one. I was reading 6 hours daily when I was taking English major. See, was past tense. They were unable to answer to the particular questions. They were past tense plural. They were unable to answer. ಅವ್ರ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲವೊಂದೊಂದು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಗೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಿ ಫಾರ್. ಹ್ಯಾಸ್. ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಮರಿಬೇಡಿ. ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಟು ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್. Only third person singulars as he, she, it. For example, she has attended, okay, a dancing program. Has, present perfect. He has interviewed, okay, some dull students. See, has interviewed, present perfect. Okay, it has appeared well. See, present perfect. He, she, it, and name of the singular persons. Okay, Yediyurappa has many programs this year. Modi has planned to pay money to poor people to their zero account. See, has planned. See, Amit Shah has planned to implant many inaugurations. Has planned. Like that, has is used. Have, except third person singular. We have. Okay, many questions in our mind to ask. Okay, they have attended the program. See, it has. No, it has barutale. Okay, number of people. Okay, many persons. They are all plural. Okay, so these plurals require have and had to any pronouns. To any persons. ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ? He had, ನೋಡಿ had ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. She had, it had, we had, they had. Had, there is no limitations of persons. Any persons may use to past perfect. But to present perfect, he, she, it, they are used to as. Except he, she, it, the others are used to have. Okay, so this is what yes. Next, do, does, did. Do any verbs, okay, except third person singular. I do it, we do it, but she do it wrong. She does it. She does dance well. Okay, she does not attend. Now, see, present perfect. So like this we use does. Next, did. It is to past tense. See, Past tense means already some days have done. They did not ask him anything. They did not ask him anything. Andra avanu bitbittiyare anta. Who? Parents. They did not ask him. Helala sir. They did not ask him. Okay. So like that, this is used. This past tense verb is used. Do you understand? So this is what do, does, did. So in the next time we come to study about auxiliary verbs. Okay, do you understand? Thank you.